Now, if you've been wanting the ultimate in the lock and leave lifestyle, maybe you're gone for weeks at a time, but you still want access to the Strip and everything that it has to offer. Well, I have the ultimate version of that for you today. Welcome to your Vegas Confidential. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Jennifer Graff with the New Home Experts at Simply Vegas Real Estate. And this is the ultimate dream come true for so many of you thinking about your luxury lifestyle here in Las Vegas. Today, we are touring a gorgeous penthouse residence on the 56th floor of the Vdara Condo Hotel. All right, so some of you might remember the big recession, and unfortunately CityCenter is one of those that got caught up in it. So because of some financing issues, there were only about 30 residences total that closed in Vdara. And then we moved a lot of those sales over to Veer Towers, of course, if you're familiar with Veer Towers. So this particular penthouse residence is actually the very last sale that MGM Resorts International made before the entire property became commercial. So this is one of the only residences as well that has been completely renovated, and the spend on it was just over $500,000. I'm going to be walking you through this spectacular residence today, share with you all of the incredible upgrades and the incredible lifestyle that it offers, especially if you would love to live here on the Strip and have the best view in all of Las Vegas. All right, so let me give you a little bit of history about Vdara Condo Hotel. So back in 2006, MGM Resorts International decided to build the first city within a city here in Las Vegas. It was penned CityCenter, and many of you might not know, but I was actually one of the original sales executives here at the property. I started back in January of 2007. Vdara was the ultimate condo hotel, 1,500 residences right here on the CityCenter campus, but no gaming, no smoking, and pet friendly. We are on the highest floor available here in Vdara. This is the 56th floor. This is a gorgeous 2-bedroom unit that was, of course, offered by the hotel. And for 10 years, it operated like a hotel room. So when my clients bought it, what did they want to do? They wanted to change it into the ultimate luxury residential experience. So let's talk about the residence itself. 56004, 1,484 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and over $500,000 in renovations. Let's start with the flooring. New tile throughout and soundproofing beneath it that wasn't there before. New carpet, new paint, and custom lighting in every single room. Every piece of cabinetry in this residence is new, not refaced, new. The kitchen was rebuilt. There was no island here, just a table. Now there's an island with real storage underneath it. There was no dishwasher at all, and now there's a dishwasher along with a refrigerator and freezer drawers. This gorgeous dry bar, this was originally a desk, and now it's a beautiful piece with its own refrigerator and freezer. And the signature piece, the Onyx cocktail table, was built right here in this room on site. Onyx can't travel finished. It's a natural stone, translucent and softer and more porous than it looks. So a slab this size gets fabricated in place, or it doesn't get fabricated at all. It was cut here, fitted here, and sealed here. That seal carries a 10-year guarantee, and there is about 6 years left on it. And it is probably one of the most gorgeous pieces in this entire residence. The gorgeous window seating, so you can get the most spectacular views of the Bellagio fountains, well, it's UV protected fabric. Because of what that glass does to a room facing this direction all day long, well, let's just say having that UV protection is a smart choice. The gorgeous sofa, well, it's Italian and built to fit the specific room and no other. The bedrooms all got new built-ins and storage that wasn't there before, and not a single drawer pull anywhere in any of them. You push to open and push again to close. And in both bathrooms, upgraded lighting and lighted medicine cabinets, which sounds like a small thing until you're searching for something in your medicine cabinet at 6 in the morning. And then there's the part you can't see. Every light and every shade in this residence is automated. Run it from a panel at the bar or from your phone, or really anywhere in the world. There are also private key fobs created by security specifically for this unit. And then there's the thing that nobody thinks to ask about until they've lived somewhere like this. This residence runs on its own internet, not the hotel's, its own dedicated network installed for privacy. This is not a luxury feature. That's somebody looking at the fully operational hotel and deciding they were not going to share infrastructure with it, and then getting the approval to build their own. But wait, there's more. That's absolutely not all of it. If you want to see the whole list, which I'm sure you do, grab the link in the description for the full list of all the amazing features in this beautiful home. So imagine spending your life here in Vdara and really having the ultimate Las Vegas experience. So if you're living here part-time or full-time, really you have access to everything the Strip has to offer. Everything becomes walkable. And of course, you have so many great restaurants at your fingertips right downstairs. Okay, so let's set up your year here in Vdara. Midnight on New Year's Eve, fireworks come off the rooftops up and down the Strip, and you can watch through your own glass. Valentine's Day at Gymkhana, 2 Michelin stars, and just downstairs at Aria. Hockey season, you can walk to the Knights game through the park. Friends in town, you can be at the Sphere catching a concert. And then in the fall, the Raiders at Allegiant, it's just one ride away. And then by 2028, you'll be able to walk to a Major League Baseball game. F1 in November, the circuit runs right down Las Vegas Boulevard. And in December, the Bellagio Conservatory never disappoints. And the Bellagio fountains, by the way, go off every half an hour, every evening, so you can sit at home and catch them out of the corner of your eye. So if you are considering a move here to Las Vegas and really not sure if you want to be down here on the Strip or maybe in Lake Las Vegas, or of course, beautiful Summerlin, well, I have an option for you. I have my Vegas Confidential quiz. QR code is going to be right over here. You can go ahead and, scan the QR code. It's going to ask you 8 questions, really to determine what lifestyle fit is best for you here in Las Vegas. Let's find your Vegas. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch our incredible video today, telling you everything about this amazing residence. Now, if you'd like more information about 56004, well, go ahead and book a call with me. I'd love to share with you all the additional details about this incredible residence, and you can do that at my website at jennifergraffrealtor.com. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and of course, we'll see you next time.